health, they say, is wealth, and it is in the light of guaranteeing improved health care that the founder of K Medicare Hospital, Dr. Chetachi Dikko, decided to help those in need of medical treatment, especially eye care, surgeries, antenatal, among others. Dr. Dikko says her vision and mission is to provide a level playing ground for those in need of free medical treatment, especially in the rural areas.
Whatever you have, try to share with others in need. Bless someone who is underprivileged. Bless someone who doesn't have much. Bless the widows. Bless the orphans. Even bless the widowers. Bless the disabled. Anyone that needs help that you can help, go ahead and do it.
Some of the beneficiaries who expressed joy say the free medical treatment given to them by K Medicare Hospital will go a long way in their lives.
It's very easy because they use the machine to test us. It's not too hard like that. So hospital don't have the quality machine to use it like that.
Well, I would like to say they should keep it up. It's very impressive, and especially for so many people in these times can't afford hospitals. So some of these health checks is very important for daily living.
Need foundation for this opportunity given to us, given to me in particular. I'm grateful. Thank you very much.
With the establishment of Medicare Hospital located in Gwarimpa, a suburb under the Abuja Municipal Area Council, the founder says the outreach program will now be a continuous process. Hawagimba, NTA News.